Balloon arch with a zebra theme, perfect for stylish parties, kids' birthdays, or elegant setups. We start by inflating 2 zebra-printed 12-inch balloons, but we only inflate them to 9 inches. Tie them into a pair. Next, we inflate 2 white 12-inch balloons to 9 inches. Now we combine them with the zebra pair to form a quad cluster, 2 zebra and 2 white balloons. Twist them together and place the colors opposite each other. Repeat this process 10 times. To add contrast, we use 5-inch black balloons inflated to about 4.5 inches. Make pairs, twist them together to form clusters of 4. Repeat this step 16 times. Now here's the fun part. Let's use Link Clear balloons with a zebra balloon inside. Insert a zebra balloon with a sticker inside the Link Clear balloon. Carefully remove the sticker and inflate both together to 9 inches. Tie them into pairs and repeat this 4 times. At the end, add a single balloon to complete the string with 9 balloons. Let's build our column. Use a line and wrap it twice around the center of the first cluster to start and keep add to the line more cluster. Alternate 1 large 9-inch cluster and 1 small 4.5-inch black cluster. Repeat until you have 5 large clusters and 4 small ones. Now place a lamp base or balloon stand inside the column to keep it stable. Repeat everything to create the second column. Next, connect the link balloon pairs to form a flexible garland. Tie the ends on top of each column, your arch starts to take shape. For finishing touches, fill the gaps with small 4.5-inch black balloon clusters. It adds volume, contrast, and makes your design pop. And here's the final result: a fabulous zebra-themed balloon arch, full of personality and style. If you loved this tutorial, like, comment, tag your balloon friend, and follow me for more amazing balloon ideas.